Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create Instagram page for our own business. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our current Instagram account. So if we do have a current Instagram account then, it would be easier for us to set up for a professional account. What we need to do then is to click the profile icon, and right after that, we're going to click the three lines here. And once we are routed on this page, we can go ahead and click settings. And on settings, we're going to click here, account. And we are going to scroll down. And if you notice on our screen, we do have here switch to professional account. We're going to click this and we're just going to click continue. Continue, continue, and continue. So by this time, we can now go ahead and click display on profile. And right after that, we're just going to choose whatever kind of business that we do have. So just like for example, education. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click done. So we're going to click OK. And basically, we will just be waiting for this one to load. And right after that, we're going to click creator, just like for example like that, and click next. And once we are here, we do have the following steps in order for us to completely finish the setting of this professional account. But then basically, we can just do this one on the later part. So we're just going to click the X here. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have here the professional dashboard. So we're going to click this. So that only means that we were able to successfully change this profile into a professional business account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create Instagram page for business. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.